It's garlic and onion planting season. This is the usual time for garlic, but you may be wondering about the onions. We planted winter onions. These onions are planted in the late fall or early winter and are harvested in the spring. We are planting in the same raised beds as we used for the sweet potatoes. Now you may be wondering about the soil. Yes, I realize this isn't exactly the correct rotational gardening. Leafy greens would come after the sweet potatoes normally. However, amending the soil with compost and using good compost tea to water it works great to rebuild the soil. We have planted winter onions and soft-neck garlic. We have one full raised bed and one half raised bed full of garlic and the remaining half for the onions. For the garlic, we plant 6 to 8 inches apart in rows and cover with about 1 inch of soil. We make sure to not take the skins off as this helps it to grow. Garlic is pretty simple. I usually like to plant around Halloween and harvest around Independence Day. Just water them well with the compost tea to begin with and then let nature take its course. Because of the climate I live in, there is no need to cover them with mulch. However, with the onions, I do need to cover them. We used the pine shaving mulch simply because it is lightweight, easy to put on, holds moisture well, but at the same time it keeps the onions nice and warm underneath when winter coldness hits hard. So there you have it. Garlic and onions are planted. I can't wait to get my birdies raised beds filled and begin using those. They are going to be amazing. Remember, it's not about if, it's about when. That is why we want to show you what we do so that it can help you become prepared for when SHTF happens. SHTF Survival Homestead Teaching Farm thanks you for watching this video. Please continue to help us help you by liking, sharing, and subscribing.